Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you have any network error issues or Windows cannot access a certain file or directory. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. In control panel, select view by tool, category view, and go to network and internet and select on this network and sharing center. Click on it. On left side, change advanced sharing settings. Click on it. In here you need to select turn on network discovery. You just need to turn it on. As well, you just need to turn on files and printer sharing. Turn on and click on all networks. Click on it. Expand it. Just need to turn on sharing so everyone will network access can read and write files in public folders. Click turn on it and turn on password protected sharing. You just need to turn it on as well. After turning this all, you just need to click save changes. Click on it and close out of here guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve problem. If you still having a problem, if you having an issue with specific folder, for example I am gonna doing this new folder guys, you just need to right click on it and go to properties and go to security tab. Click on edit and click on add button over here. Click on it. In here you need to type everyone, everyone. Everyone, you just need to type on it and click check name and click OK. After doing this, you just need to click on permission for everyone. You just need to select full control, select allow and apply and OK. After doing this, you just need to select sharing tab over here, select share and select everyone. You just need to select read and write and select the everyone and click the check button and click share. And that's it for today's video guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.